my name is Megan Shaw and I'm also care experienced. Before I became involved with Care Scotland, I was in a very dark place. It was a very complex situation and a lot of people were involved, such as corporate parents and Alison Fritzel, who is an advocacy worker. During my time of being in a bad place, I started volunteering with Care Scotland, and this really helped me to cope a lot more, as all the workers were very understanding and the young people that I met were very welcoming and friendly. Who Care Scotland is like a massive family. Like, it's care experienced young people and people in care from all over Scotland, and we're the biggest family in Scotland. We're all really understanding of each other and we listen to each other. We don't judge or criticise anyone. We're always there and we offer a hand of support. Without the help from Alison Fritzel and all the corporate parents out there, I wouldn't be where I am today, where I'm currently working with Care Scotland as a participation assistant. During this role, I am reaching out to young people and inviting them to different events that are happening in our local area, and sometimes we also take them away down to Glasgow or anywhere in the mainland where other events might be happening that they can attend with us. I help arrange meetings which I attend myself, and I offer a hand of support, so if anyone needs to speak to anyone else other than Alison, then I'm also there as well. I am part of Care Council, which is with Care Scotland, and it's made up of elected members from each local authority across Scotland, and we come together 2 to 3 times a year to discuss important issues or situations that might be happening in our local area. Along with this, we also look at different ways where we can try and change the care system, make it better for the next generation. We look at things that we can possibly change to make it better. If it's something that we can't change ourselves, then we ask other corporate parents to come along and meet us, and they then sit and listen to us, and we give them our opinion on how we think panel members or anything like that should work. If I was able to get through this with all the help that I received, then I'm sure a lot of other people out there can too. So whatever it is, whatever situation may be, whatever you talk about, please don't be scared to get in touch. Thank you.